Okay, then the last round. A movie club charges a one-time membership fee of $25, which allows members to purchase movies for $7 each. We've already done a problem like this. Oh, no, we haven't. Another club has no membership charge, but they sell the movies for $12 each. How many movies must a member purchase to make the membership worthwhile? So movies is your answer. But on this problem, ladies and gentlemen, we're comparing two things, okay? So we need two tables, two XY tables. Just read it, because you got one club, you got another club. So dollars is your Y, and then movies is your X. Okay, so here's club number one. Okay, so the first club, before they pay for any movies, they have to pay $25. Then they pay movies are $7. So if they buy one movie, add 7, 32. A second movie, add 7, 39. Okay, and then they go on. Okay, now let's check out the other club, 0. Now it says the other club has no membership charge, so you got to put a 0 there. And they sell the movies for $12 each, so plus 12, 24, and then it goes on forever. When are these after how many movies are the costs going to match up? Right now this cost is ahead of this one because of the 25, okay? So what you do is the same thing, and you put dollars and movies. Dollars is Y, movies is X. So dollars per movie. Well, this one you're 7x, comma, and then this one's 12, so that's two different rates. So what you need to do is make two lines. Okay. So this one here, you got 7x and 12x. So you started with 25 here equals Y. And this one you started at 0 plus 12x equals Y. Now, you want to find out when these are equal. So get rid of the Y's. You don't care about the Y's when you have two lines like that. You just write an equation where 25 plus 7x is equal to 12x. You don't need to put the 0. Okay? And now we'll solve for x. Okay, I have two x's, one multiplied by 7, one by 12. Now look at each side. I can't add anything here or here, so I get rid of the smaller x by subtraction. So 5 dot x, and then 25. Now divide by the 5. 25 divided by 5 is 5, and x equals 5. And if you measure your table down to 5 movies, the cost would be the same. Okay, 5 movies. Okay, next one. Shirley is going to have the exterior of her home painted. Tim's Painting charges $250 for service. They then charge $14 per hour for labor. Colorful Paints charges no service fee, but they charge $22 per hour for labor. How many hours would it take for Tim's Painting to be the better deal? So hours is the answer. Again, we are comparing two things, so I make a table. XY, XY. Okay. Hours is in bold, and money is always Y. Time is always X, so hours and hours. Okay. All right, so 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2. Okay, Tim's Painting was $250, so $250, and then $14 per hour. So if I add 14, $264, and then $278. Okay, now the other guy, Colorful Paints, had no service fee before the $22 per hour, so we start at 0 and $22.44. Okay. And they keep going. We want to know when the cost, because right now the costs aren't even close. I mean, that's $278, that's $44. Okay. Okay, 3 boxes. So you got dollars and hours. Hours is X. Time is always X. Okay. You're going to do a problem here on number 2 where you have gallons and minutes. The time is your X. Okay. dollars is Y. So per, dollars per hour. And we know we have 14 here, 14x, and 22x here. Okay, so 2 lines are needed. So you have 250 to start with there. You have 0 here. And you want to know when these are equal. Okay, so get rid of the y's and just write the 250 plus 14x equals 0 plus 22x. Okay. Or not get the 0 out of there, that was stupid. I don't know why I wrote that. Okay, so again, you have 2x variables. So look on each side of the equals. You can't combine anything there or there. Get rid of your smaller x by subtracting. So it's 8x, 250. Divide by 8, divide by 8, and x is 31.25. Now, you can have a decimal when time is the answer, you can have a decimal, okay? So 31.25. That's actually 31 hours and 15 minutes because it's a quarter of an hour. Okay, last one. Stan has $200 in his account, is going to save $20 per month. Bill has $800 in his account, and he's going to withdraw $20 per month. How many months will the two have equal amounts of money? Now, this one has a little bit of a curve, and this is going to turn up on your assignment, so you want to be cautious, okay? So you've got XY, XY, okay? Dollars and, well, you know, time is always X, so months. Any kind of unit of time is X, and dollars is Y. Months, money. Okay, Stan has 200. 1, 2. He's going to save 20, so you'd add 20. Okay, so 220, 240, keeps going. Now the other guy, Bill, he's got 800, but what happens with Bill? Well, he's withdrawing money. So that would be minus 20 every time. So that's 780, 760. So we make our boxes, and we got months and money. X is months, Y is money, so per. Dollars per month. Well, this guy's adding 20, so 20x, but that guy's minusing 20, so that's negative 20x. So even though that slope is negative, the line would go down, but just to keep it so they look good, okay, just go with that. It's not going to matter. So 20x, negative 20x. I'm well aware that that line should go down from its beginning point, but I don't usually do that because it confuses people. So he started with 200. He started with 800. Again, we want to know when they're equal. So we want to know when 200 plus 20x is equal to 800 plus negative 20x. Okay, again, you have multiple x's, 20 and negative 20. Well, you get rid of, again, you look on each side, you can't combine anything there. You can't combine anything there, so we plus this, add the negative 20x has to be taken to 0, which you accomplish by adding 20. Okay, so it's going to be 40x plus 200. So you got x multiplied by 40, get that plus 200 out of there. And that's 600. So divide by 40, divide by 40, and I think that's 15. I think. Yep. Okay, so 15 months is the answer.